Okay, I've got power going to the track and I've got the loco selected, so I'll quickly put the lights on. There we are, so we've got the daytime lights there. If I change direction, okay, I don't know if you can see that incredibly well on camera, but she has got tail lights there, and obviously you've got those at both ends. So I'll go through some of the other sounds and then we'll get the engine running. So we've got high horn. There we go, really nice and loud. Then we've got low horn. There we are. I don't know how many of these will play without the engine running, but function 4 is buffering up / coupling hook. There we are. Function 5 is manual brake application. There we are. And then function 6 is driver's door slam, and there's actually a range of these, so every time you play the function you'll get a different slam every time, or at least you should do. So that's one, and I'll do a few others. There we are, so you've got a nice little range of door slams so you don't get the same one every time. And then we've got a compressor, okay, which apparently you can't play without the engine running. And then function 8 is called drive hold, and basically what that is, if you activate it, you basically lock the speed of the loco. So whatever speed it's doing, if you apply the power or decrease the power, the loco won't change in speed, and all you'll do is basically change the rev of the engine. So that's really good if you want to, let's say you've got a big long freight train on the loco and you want to rev it up before getting it going, and then you can do that. And then function 9 is variable speed flange squeal, so also that won't be useful until the engine's running. Function 10 is dispatch whistle. Oh, looks like you can't play that one either. Can we play function 11? No. Can we play function 12? Call a group fan? No. So I don't think you can play a lot of these without having the engine running. We can do function 19 though, which is actually cab lights, and there's actually a small sound to go with that as well. Yeah, change direction. So I'll do that again. So I hope you can hear that. You see there's a little sound that goes with the lights. Can we do function 17, windscreen wash or wipe? No. So it looks like to play a lot of the functions you need the engine running. So that's what we'll do. Let's get the engine going. And so the sound file in this loco is made by Lego Man Biffo, and it's a really high quality sound decoder inside the loco, and it's got an EM2 speaker in there as well, which is really loud and provides loads of bass as well. Okay, right, I'll give a little bit of power so you can see her moving. And change direction. Give a bit of a horn as well before we move off. And there we are, so that's a little demonstration of the movement, and it's a really smooth mechanism inside this loco, I really can't fault it. So what I think I'll do now is I'll quickly demonstrate the drive hold function. So what I'll do is I'll activate the drive hold function, then I'll go to half power, then I'll go to full power, and then I'll go back to idle. sure it's a very, I'm sure when I play it, I'm sure you'll recognise it immediately. So it's function 14 and it's called automatic radar hiss. And basically I'll activate it, but you have to have the loco moving for it to actually work. So hopefully when I play it, I'm sure you'll recognise the sound. Help if I remove the drive lock function though. There we are. I hope that sound there was familiar to you. And basically if you activate it and leave it on, it plays every so, I'm not sure how long, but if you leave it on, it plays again and again after a certain amount of time, just like the real thing does. You just take it off again. I'll go in the other direction, I'll play it again for you. And there we are, the DCC Sound Class 66 in Kurlos Rail Freight livery by Hattons. It's a really fantastic model, absolutely brimming with detail, and the performance is absolutely amazing. However, with the amount of issues that people have had, and some people have had some really serious issues with this model, I do recommend you get one, because overall you won't be disappointed, but I'd say just be prepared for issues with this model, because there are many that can come up. However, overall, I really can't fault it. It's just amazing, really, really amazing. But overall, it is incomplete. Because I forgot to do it earlier, but here's a quick look at the turning axle boxes.